Do you want to improve your website's search engine ranking? Well, the answer lies in conducting effective keyword research. This process is a fundamental part of search engine optimization, or SEO, and involves identifying and analyzing the words and phrases people commonly use in search engines when looking for information, products, or services related to your business. Start by understanding your business and audience. Know your products, services, and the people you're targeting, and identify the main topics and themes relevant to your business. Once you have that understanding, brainstorm keywords. Generate an initial list of keywords that include general terms, as well as more specific and long-tail keywords. Next, it's time to use keyword research tools. These tools will help expand and refine your list of keywords. Some popular ones include Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, Moz Keyword Explorer, and Ubersuggest. After you've expanded your list, analyze the search volume and competition for each keyword. The goal is to find keywords with a balance of search volume and manageable competition. Don't forget to consider long-tail keywords. These longer, more specific keyword phrases often have less competition and can be highly targeted. Next, analyze trends and seasonality. Are there any trends or seasonal variations that might impact search behavior and keyword popularity? If so, adjust your keyword strategy accordingly. Then, check out your competitors' keywords. Identify any relevant keywords that you might have missed and assess their performance. Once you have a comprehensive list, group your keywords by relevance. This will help structure your website's content and optimize for specific themes or topics. The next step is to prioritize and finalize your keywords. Choose the ones that align best with your business goals, have a good search volume, are highly relevant, and have manageable competition. Finally, don't forget to monitor and refine. Keep an eye on the performance of the keywords you're targeting and adjust your strategy as needed. In summary, effective keyword research is the foundation of successful SEO. It helps optimize your website to attract the right audience and improve your rankings in search engine results. By understanding your business and audience, using keyword research tools, analyzing search volume and competition, considering long-tail keywords, analyzing trends, checking competitor keywords, grouping keywords, prioritizing and continuously monitoring and refining, you can significantly increase your website's visibility and reach. So get started on your keyword research today and watch your website climb the ranks.